I'm the JakeOfALL, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a little bit about this solar power pendant light. I've got a shed that I wanna put a light in it. The kids can keep complaining about getting their bikes, putting their bikes away. So I wanna be able to put some light in there, and I don't wanna run power to it. So this, I figured, would be perfect. So let's do just a quick, let's see what's in here. So it's remote control. So there's a remote. It's got a USB to USB-C, little bracket for the panel, and then the actual pendant light that hangs down. Very simple. The input, cable, panel has a nice long lead, instruction manual. So this is a bracket for the panel as well. So we're gonna mount this on the roof of the shed. We'll run this long wire down into it. We'll hang this about where their bikes are, and then we'll Velcro this somewhere right inside the door so that they can have light when they put their bikes away. So we're gonna go outside and install this, and you can see how it works. So I went ahead and I put double-sided tape on here because I am just gonna stick it to the roof so I don't have to drill a hole, but it does come with a mounting bracket, a little swivel. You could screw it and then adjust the angle, but that's south facing, so this is a perfect direction. And then we'll just run the wire up into the crevice. So let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, we're in the shed. We got the wire run through the crevice in one of the eaves. I bundled it up there. I've got the light, and if you want to look here, there's actually a little USB port so that if you want to charge it off the USB or in an emergency, we're not going to use that. We're going to take a zip tie, actually. We're going to run it around this crossbar. And then, it's as simple as connecting this up. Tuck our wire up here out of the way. And then, remote control. You can change color. You can set a timer, so it'll go off in an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or auto, which is what we're going to go ahead and try with kids. But now we have some light in the shed, and yeah, this will be perfect for the kids. All right, we are walking out to the shed, and let's go in, see what kind of light we get. Boom, look at that. Well lit. It's not hot to the touch. You can see around in here. And yeah, it's running off that simple little wire from the solar panel on the roof. Gives us a lot of good light. Definitely an easy and safe way to put light in this shed. And I don't have to run power wire. So this is awesome. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. JakeOfALL out.